So a few months ago, I decided I would be migrating my data away from Google Drive towards another storage provider. When I actually looked at my locally synchronized Google Drive folder, I saw something like this. So for example, a folder called example. And within it, there were Gdocs, and within it, a subfolder which had a G Sheet. Now, these formats are really proprietary, as you can see here. Google Sheets, Google Docs. So I can't just copy this and stick it into another storage provider because they'll have no idea what to do with it. Even if you right-click the file and click Edit Notepad right here, it says, warning, don't edit this. And the reason they do that is because it's not a real file. It's actually a shortcut to a cloud file, basically, right? So not a real file. Now, I always knew that if I was actually viewing a document within Google Drive, pressing File and then clicking Download presents a number of options. So in this case, DocX, PDF, ODT, plain text, tons of options. That's really great. But I didn't want to do this one file at a time. It seemed a little excessive, right? So I looked into it, and it seems that if you actually go, let's say right here, press on the three dots on a folder and click Download, Google is smart enough to understand that you're downloading something from Google Drive. Probably the format you want is not a format that's proprietary to Google Drive. So when I click this, you can see it opens up a zip. Within the zip, there's a folder called example. And look at this, Microsoft Word document. Now, keep in mind, Microsoft Word is, yes, a Microsoft format, but LibreOffice can open it. OpenOffice can open it. That's the benefit. It's a more portable format than Gdoc and G Sheets. It actually contains something. Now, if you want more flexibility than this, like you want instead of DocX to have OpenOffice, LibreOffice, like the ODT format, I don't see a way of doing it currently. If there is a way, comment below, that'd be great. The only thing that I found is that if you go through Google Takeout right here, Google Takeout is a fantastic service by Google. Just lets you download the data from the various Google services that you have. And if you go to the Drive section and turn it on, it says multiple formats. You might get here and be like, oh man, multiple formats, cool, I can choose anything. Nah, it's not anything. But at least for documents, you can be like, I want PDFs. So, if that's something you want, weirdly, then you can do that. I just wish they'd gone a little further and put ODT text, like whatever, just to help you out. But I suppose if you want to download the absolute totality of your Google Drive, you could just come here and leave the default of DocX and then just trigger the Google Takeout process for your drive. Make sure all data is included. And there you go. You can just take everything off of your Google Drive and then migrate it to another storage service. I hope that helps.